Hi, I'm Chef Patty, and I am one of the culinary instructors here at Miami Culinary Institute, and welcome to our healthy kitchen. Today we are going to be cooking something healthy, vibrant, and all in one pan. This is what I like to call my weeknight dinner hero, and this is chicken fajitas. All one pan, super easy, really delicious, and everybody loves it, so it's a win-win. Let's get started. So I've got some boneless chicken breasts that I have cut into thin strips. And right now what we want to do, we want to start off by just seasoning it. I have a homemade taco seasoning mix that I made myself that's great on chicken, beef, pork, even veggies. So we've got garlic powder, cumin, paprika, oregano leaves, and a little chili powder. So I'm just gonna, let me toss it, even if it's with my hands. Give it a little stir, a little toss to combine. And now I'm gonna sprinkle some on the chicken. And I wanna save some for my veggies. Some salt. Some ground black pepper. And a drizzle of olive oil. I'm gonna toss it. I want to make sure that all the flavors are incorporated. Now I can put it straight on my sheet pan. I like to line it with parchment paper. It's a lot easier when it's time to clean up. And you want to separate them a bit just so they don't cook very clumpy, because they'll stick together. And by cutting them thin, this is going to speed up the cooking time. It's not going to take too long. And you will see this is a great way to have dinner on the table. It's something healthy. And who doesn't love chicken fajitas? Now I'm going to do the same thing with my veggies, and I'm using a separate bowl. I don't want any cross-contamination. So I've got my onions that I have thinly sliced, some of the taco mix, the seasoning mix, some salt, some black pepper, and olive oil. So I like to just do this separately from my other veggies, just because when it's time to serve, if it's a help yourself type of situation, maybe someone doesn't want onions or bell peppers, and if you cook it separately, then they can serve it separately. It's a lot easier that way. So same thing, just spreading out the onions just like I did the chicken. And if you don't have any picky eaters, by all means, you can go ahead and you can season all your veggies in one bowl at the same time. So I've got red bell peppers. You can always do a combination of red, green, or yellow, your choice. Sprinkle the rest of our seasoning mix. Salt, black pepper, olive oil, give it a toss, and the olive oil adds flavor, and it also coats it so it doesn't burn. And it is ready for the oven. So let's go put these in. This pan is going in, and this one is coming out. This is going to take about 15 minutes, 20 tops. You want to cook it until the chicken is golden brown and the internal temperature is 165 degrees. So if you're ever in doubt, remember when you're cooking chicken, the internal temperature does have to be 165. That's when it's fully cooked. Now I'm just going to set my pan aside, and I'm going to make a really quick lime crema. It's sour cream with some fresh lime, and then we can even sprinkle some cilantro, and you can make a cilantro lime crema. That's very versatile. You can add chili pepper if you want, or garlic. You can personalize it however you like. And let me grab the towel. I'm going to push this over. So I've got some sour cream. You can always make the same thing with yogurt. Maybe some plain Greek yogurt would be great. Very, very simple. I'm going to add some fresh lime juice. And if you don't have a juicer and you're doing it by hand, always remember that if you just open up your fingers a little bit like this, you can catch the seeds. I want to season it with a little salt, some black pepper, give it a stir. So as you can see, we just took a few ingredients, really simple. It only took a few seconds to put this together. And now we have another layer of flavor to add to our chicken fajitas. So we're building flavor with simple ingredients, which is my style of cooking. I'm gonna just add some fresh cilantro. Our lime crema is ready. And now we can plate our fajitas. Can't wait. So you can, I'm using corn tortillas, but you can use corn or flour, up to you. Adding the onions on top. Onions are soft and caramelized. So good. And then my bell peppers. And finally, our crema on top. And let's garnish with some fresh cilantro. And we are done. As you can see, we just made a healthy meal. It didn't take long at all, and I really hope you enjoy it, that you bake it at home. I know you're gonna love it, and thank you for joining us.